What's going on, Joe? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see what we can do. So right off the bat, I love your logo over here. Red, white, and blue is great. Our work, about us, review resources, contact us. Unfortunately, what you're missing is, I don't know if it's under our work or that might be like testimonials, but what it is you actually do. So you should have something called services here with the drop-down menu letting them know. I'm going to click that and get back to the home page. But see, you have your number over here, which is a click call. Excellent, good job. And then finally, you have these three guys over here. I would probably put them all the way on the bottom of the website and make the color appear just a slightly different color than the bottom. But otherwise, great work. Professional painting services in New Jersey. And then we are committed to delivering customer service satisfaction to your team services. Okay, so see how all these services are over here? They should be in their own drop-down menu, so people can quickly scroll over it, click on the one they want, and move on to the next step, which is calling you. And you did something that no one else does. You actually let them know, because I've seen way too many painters who don't let them know that they do decks, garage floor. Garage floor coating is a little different, but cabinet refinishing. You do a little carpentering, which is great. Window glazing, I don't even know what that is, but excellent. So you're doing really good. Unfortunately, you're not talking about the jobs, right? And there's nowhere else to really find that much information about it until you go to like maybe our work or something like that. So what you definitely want to be doing is at least giving like a paragraph to each one. You got some reviews here, which are good. You got pictures. Now I'm going to do just something quick for myself because I understand that you're kind of putting these words in here, but it's not actually helping out in any way, shape, or form. View more photos are great. So overall, I'm not going to say much. See, I give it all the way down here and all the way up top as well. So there should be a little bit more information down here, like especially like your number again, your service links again, as well as maybe a couple more stuff, just like your not your address, but like the areas you service, stuff like that. But let's take a look behind the scenes. Although before I get there, you know, you have the right idea, but Google, you're missing about like 1,500, 2,000 words of content in here. Google really likes content. So with more content comes more ability for keywords. Now, a keyword is what anyone might put into Google to search for you. But let's take a look at behind the scenes, see what's going on. So I use a tool called RFs, which gives me an insight into how your website is actually doing. This is Google's analytical of you. So UR rating is 15, and that's looking at your entire link over here, which is how strong your website is. It's 15 right now. Typically want both of these in the 30s and 40s. A DR rating is how much Google does trust you, and you're at a 0.7. Now, these are contingent upon backlinks. Now, a backlink is, where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when they click on it and it comes back to your actual website. Now, you only got 20 out of 27, and if you look carefully down over here, the do follow are only 7. So only 7 of these actual referring domains are coming back. Now, the hard part is you only have one organic keyword, so you only have one, it's like an association word game. You only have one kind of word that if somebody types it into Google will actually find your website. And right now, it's just Joe Carfagno. So, and that's your name. It's going to be very difficult to rank for that because it's not a specific website. It's not a specific service people are looking for. So this right here is an example of a specific service. Now, because I understand New Jersey, I used to live there for about 20 years of my life, which is most of my life. Um, I know a lot of people in New Jersey kind of drive all the way around. So it's very hard to pin down. So I just picked Tom's River, New Jersey. So you got painters in Tom's River, New Jersey. So it's very service specific and very location specific. So you know that somebody is looking for an actual service in the area. Like they're ready to go now. And that's kind of how ads work. Now, they use the same kind of idea of service and location specifics. You got your ads, you got another ad for your GMB, but then you got your GMB, which is Google My Business Profile. Very important to have these. In New Jersey, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because, again, you can rank in any specific small area, but you got to get multiple of them all around. But like I said, 30 to 40% of all these of people will click on one of these guys. So very important to get these. Oops, I did not mean to click on that. But anyway, scrolling down, we have Yelp as number 1 for your organic search. Anyone can rank in here as long as you know what you're doing. But then we got Jim's Painting. Right now, they're the number 1 spot. They're going to be your biggest competitors. And just from, kind of taking a quick look at this, I'm not going to say it's going to be difficult. Now, the fact that it can move side to side like this is a huge problem. For them, you got Jim's Painting and Power Washing, Home, About Us, Contact Us, Jobs Completed. So again, they're not talking about their stuff either. Welcome to Jim's Painting. They've been in business for over 35 years. So it's more of an older site. Like I don't know if it's been I would say revamped in a little bit, which is why you're getting things as they are. The file names are not saved in the right way. Um, Overall, I mean that might even be like Facebook and stuff. But anyway, jsbn.org. I wonder. I don't even know what that is. But regardless, overall, they're the ones who are controlling the front spots, and just based on what I'm seeing, it shouldn't be too difficult to beat them out. Now, I don't know what .us is, but it could actually help them because that might be very old. Like I said, it's over 20 years old, the website, so that's the one thing they do have above. Their UR rating is only 16 and their DR rating is 1.1, so definitely work that can be done there. They do have 152 backlinks with 27 referring domains, and they only have 8 that follow them back, which means that you can, just need to beat them out. I would say get 20 more referring domains and you're fine. But they do have 23 organic keywords. Let's find out what they're ranking for. Now, of these, we're going to look at what the keywords are, the volume, the traffic, and the position they're in. So painters in Toms River, New Jersey, 70 people a month search for that. They're getting 10 of them because they're in position number 4. Every single month, 10 people are coming to their website. Toms River Painters, 20 of them, 3, position number 3. Now, obviously, they didn't do a great job of finding the best places to rank for. Like, all of these are very low in volume per month. So you would definitely want to start searching for something a little bit more. Now, river painting, 400 a month. It's an international keyword. You're not going to want it because anyone in the United States can search for that. Painters, New Jersey. I understand New Jersey is small, but you wouldn't want to rank for that. And he got rid of it anyway. But something like this is fine. All right, interior designers, Ocean County, New Jersey. The problem is he's not doing a very good job on searching for keywords that actually will result in jobs because there's not enough of these people searching. I mean, altogether, you'll be fine, but still. Anyway, so how does this really help you out, Joe? Honestly, all you got to do is we got to increase your backlinks, right? We got to find out the really strong ones, add those in there. I would say get another 50 of them in order to beat people out for, Toms River, Ocean County, stuff like that. I mean, I didn't look at Ocean County, but, we can always do that or even look at individual cities. We got to get organic keywords, what people would put in for the services you're looking for the location you're in, right? So here's step 1, right? We got to revamp your website, get you at least 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. Get those organic keywords in there so you start ranking for different things so you can get more traffic. And then finally, backlinks so you can start ranking higher. All those 3 together and you'll be fine. So imagine if you can get an additional 50 to 100 people a month calling you through your website alone. What would that do for you? Anyway, that's really all I got, Joe. I really hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have a good one. Bye.